Here we have it. We're wrapping it up with all these details. What do we have here? It's the Speedform bullet style fuel door in black. I got this from American Muscle for $59.99. I could not find one on eBay, so I had to buy this. And then the old one that I had was that billet material, which the wrap wouldn't stick to. So I was forced to spend another $55.99 plus shipping and handling. But the door is really nice, I will say. It came with these instructions, and I was being super cute. Well, I thought I was being cute and funny here. I looked through them and then I promptly decide to discard of them. Later on, you'll see that that was a mistake that really bit me in the butt, because apparently I couldn't comprehend how to install a tank door without ruining it. I was looking forward to wrapping this. I thought it would be like a fun, mentally therapeutic job that I could do. And it was pretty easy. Just lay it down flat. The only hard part was like trimming it and not letting these little seams pop up. Other than that, it was a fun little project. I like it. It looks good. This is kind of fun. For once. So the screws that this came with were chrome. I had to paint them, obviously. And I goofed up here. Here we go. There was a nut on the other side that I should have loosened, and I just broke the bolt. I broke it. I did fix it and repair it, so pay no attention to that. Shh. I've been waiting to do this for so long. It makes it official. It's a Mach1 again. Ta-da! And I couldn't resist. I'm a big fan of Mad Max. I love Fury Road. I love the originals, and this is my Mad Mach. Next up are the side scoops. These are really expensive, and I almost ruined these when I was taking them off the car. Thank God I didn't, because there's no way I would have been able to fork over, like, I think it was 260 bucks for new ones. That's insane. The previous owner had laid in mirror inlays in there that were just incredibly difficult to get out, and there was gobs and gobs of glue on the inside. But all in all, nothing a little wrap won't fix. Look how pretty this is. Oh god, it's like the satisfaction is unreal. And here we go. It's official. Oh, and I added new side, I don't know what they're called, like little inlays in there. They were cheap, like 30 bucks, so they kind of seal it up. Ah, magnifico. This little piece was probably one of the least fun pieces that I've wrapped. It's just so small and annoying. But nevertheless, I got it done. The larger rocker panel ended up taking off because it was so dirty underneath. It was picking up so much grime that I just couldn't wrap it properly. So I removed them, cleaned them all down, and struggled to straddle this while I wrapped it for my dear life. Got this car back first week of January and started taking it apart and just cleaning it up. It was covered in flame stickers and mirrored pieces, all kinds of junk. Ta-da! Almost 5 months later, great progress, still lots to do, but this is a short list of everything that has been done so far that I can remember.